If you're still copying and pasting data from multiple tables together, stop. There's a better way. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the VStack function in Excel, one of the most useful functions added in recent years. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use VStack to instantly combine multiple tables into one dynamic table, across sheets or even your entire workbook. I've got a practice file ready to go. Let's go. Alright, so here on our basic VStack sheet, I've got two small tables, Team 1 in columns A, B, and Team 2 in columns D, E. Both have names and scores. My goal is to combine them into one single list right here in column G. So let's click into cell G4 and start typing equals VStack. Now the only required argument are your arrays. That's it. So I'll highlight the first array, that's A4, B7, add a comma, then the second array, D4, E7. Hit enter, and there we go. All 8 names and scores stacked into one list. Now, here's the magic. Watch what happens when I change David's score from 90 to 99. See? The combined table updated instantly. That's the power of a dynamic formula. No manual work required. Now, let's step it up a bit. Head over to a with headers tab, and I've got 2 department tables, sales and marketing, each with 4 columns, name, department, quarter, and revenue. When I combine these with VStack, I also want to include a header row at the top. And VStack makes this really clean using what's called an array constant, basically a hard-coded row of values. So click into F4 and now we write the formula equals VStack. Now I would add curly braces. That creates an inline array. That's going to be our header row. And each header would be in quotes. So quotation name, quotation department, quotation quarter, quotation revenue. Now let's close the braces. Now the same array, A4, D6, and A9, D11. Hit enter and boom. One clean table, headers on top, both departments stacked below. If anyone updates a name or revenue number in either department table, this combined view refreshes automatically. Okay, now for the most powerful use case, take a look at the tabs at the bottom. I've got Team Alpha, Team Beta, and Team Gamma, each on their own sheet, each with the same structure, name, team, score. My goal is to pull all of this into one master view on the All Teams tab without touching those sources sheets at all. So here on the All Teams tab, I've already added the column headers. Let me click into A3 and write the formula. So equals VStack. Now let's click the Team Alpha sheet, highlight the arrays. Now click the Team Beta sheet, highlight the arrays. Now click the Team Gamma sheet and highlight the arrays. Hit enter. And there it is, 12 rows, all 3 teams, 1 table. One last tip before we wrap up. VStack results are live formulas. Great for keeping these dynamic. But sometimes you just want a plain static list. Maybe you're sending the file to someone else or you want to lock the data in place. So here's how to do it. Select all the VStack output. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Now let's go to the other sheet, right-click, paste special, and let's choose values only. And we would keep the formatting. Now, see, we got the same table. And how to know it's static, just click any cell and in the formula bar, you won't see any formula, just text. And that's the VStack function. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if there's an Excel function you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next one.